Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you trying to send money or make a bank transfer on GCash but suddenly getting this error message saying sorry, we are unable to process your request? Don't worry, you are not dead. And this is a very common GCash problem. So this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and now tap on the connection option and turn on airplane mode and wait 30 seconds and turn off airplane mode or tap back and check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Okay, and now tap on the GCash app and tap on the I button and tap on the force stores. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage option and clear cache and clear data, delete, go back.
Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission, camera, allow, contacts, allow, location, allow, microphone, allow, music and audio, allow, nearby device, allow, notification, allow notification, photos and videos, always allow all, physical activity, allow, go back, and now tap on the Play Store and now tap on the search GCash app and check update your GCash app. My GCash app already updated. Okay, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. And now GCash support team, I hope your problem has been solved.